Getting a chargeback notification on Stripe feels like a punch in the gut because the system immediately takes your money and hits you with a $15 fee before you even have a chance to explain yourself. If you don't handle this correctly and quickly, you're going to lose that cash permanently and damage your reputation with credit card networks. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to fight this and get your money back, but stick around until the end, because I'll show you a specific setting in your dashboard that can actually stop these disputes before they even reach the bank. A chargeback happens because a customer told their bank they don't recognize a charge or didn't get what they paid for. Think of the bank as a strict referee who automatically pauses the game and takes the ball away until you prove you played by the rules. Most of the time, this is just a misunderstanding or a customer forgetting what they bought. But if you ignore it, the bank assumes you're at fault. You usually only have a window of 7 to 20 days to respond, depending on the card brand, so you need to move right now. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and go to the Payments section. Then click on Disputes to see exactly what you're dealing with. You need to look at the reason code provided because a dispute for fraud requires different proof than a dispute for a missing delivery. Once you know why they're complaining, try to contact the customer directly via email. Sometimes a simple conversation clears things up, and they can actually call their bank to withdraw the dispute, which is the easiest way to win. If they don't respond, you need to click the Counter Dispute button in your dashboard to start your defense. This is where you upload your evidence. You'll want to submit the digital receipt, any tracking numbers that show a successful delivery, and screenshots of your customer service chats. If you have a terms of service page that they agreed to at checkout, upload that too. Stripe sends all of this to the bank for you, so make sure your documents are clear and professional. Now, for the pro tip to keep your money safe in the future. You should integrate a tool like Chargeblast or turn on Stripe Radar immediately. These tools give you an early warning before a dispute becomes official. When you get an early alert, you can simply refund the customer's money yourself. It sounds counterintuitive to give the money back, but doing this prevents the $15 dispute fee and keeps your chargeback ratio low, which saves you thousands of dollars in the long run. Now that your Stripe account is protected, you should look into how to optimize your checkout flow to reduce these complaints from happening in the first place.